Take a slow, deep breath. Before you read further, pause for a moment. What you're about to hear is not just words, it's a message from a heart that hasn't stopped thinking about you. This person is making 3 big decisions deeply about you, and these decisions are not light, not casual, and not random. They are coming from a place far deeper than you realize. This is not surface-level emotion. This is not just attraction. This is not curiosity that fades with time. This is someone standing at the edge of their own heart, trying to decide what to do about you, your connection, your future, your destiny, and the feelings they've been holding inside their chest for far too long. Today, you're about to understand the 3 major decisions this person is making about you, slowly, deeply, and why these choices shape the way they think, feel, and act every single day. Sit comfortably, read slowly, let every word sink into your heart. Decision 1. Should I let you into the deepest part of my heart? This is the first question they ask themselves again and again, especially at night, when everything becomes quiet, when their mind has nowhere to run. You may not know this, but they've built strong walls around their heart, not because they don't want love, but because they've been hurt, betrayed, disappointed, or left behind in ways that still live inside them. Then you came into their life, and something changed. You awakened something they thought they had buried forever, a softness, a hope, a feeling that maybe someone out there truly understands them, but here's their inner struggle. Should I open up? Should I trust this? Should I let this person see the parts of me I never show anyone? This decision isn't small for them. Letting someone in means giving them the power to hurt you. And without even trying, you became someone who can affect them deeply. Your silence affects them. Your presence affects them. Your words affect them. Your absence affects them. They replay your conversations. They feel warmth just hearing your name, and they wonder, are they the one I've been waiting for? They haven't answered yet, because real love always needs courage. Decision 2. Should I fight for this connection or walk away before I fall too deep? This is the most painful decision. Part of them feels pulled toward you like destiny, a connection they can't explain. No matter how far they try to run, they keep coming back. But another part whispers fear. What if this hurts? What if I get attached and they don't feel the same? What if I lose them after giving my heart? That's why they go back and forth. One day they feel close to you. The next day they pull away. One moment they want to talk endlessly. The next, they disappear into silence, not because they don't care, but because they care too much. You're not just another person to them. You're someone who can change their emotional world. This connection feels powerful, intense, beautiful, and dangerous. They ask themselves, should I take the risk, or should I step back before it's too late? Even when they try to walk away, something brings them back. A memory, a thought, a feeling. Their heart already knows the answer. Their mind is just afraid. Decision 3. Should I tell you how I really feel, or keep it hidden? This is the heaviest decision of all. They feel more for you than they've ever shown, more than they've ever said, more than you realize. You appear in their thoughts, in their dreams, in their quiet moments. But fear holds them back. What if they reject me? What if everything changes? What if I lose them? So they stay silent, not because their feelings are weak, but because their fear is strong. They write messages and never send them. They imagine conversations that never happen. They come close, then pull back. They've never felt someone like you before, and they don't want to ruin what already exists. Now they stand at a crossroads. Tell the truth, or let time decide. What this means for you, these 3 decisions mean only one thing. This person is emotionally invested in you. They think about you deeply. They care more than they admit. You are not a passing thought. You are not temporary. You've created a space in their heart that no one else occupies. If you could see inside them right now, you'd see someone checking their phone for your message, someone wondering what you're doing, someone imagining a future where you're close. You are not a coincidence. You are not an accident. Their soul recognizes you. They just don't know how to say it yet. Conclusion: their heart is slowly choosing you, even with fear, even with hesitation, even with overthinking, not because you asked, but because your presence makes them feel safe, seen, and understood. Soon, one of these decisions will turn into action, and one thing is clear. You matter to them, deeply, more than they show, more than they say. Last message must be listened, because the last message is very important, so listen carefully. Now pause for a moment and be honest with yourself. Did this message feel familiar? Did someone's face come into your mind while you were listening? If yes, this was not random. Some connections come into our life to wake something inside us. Some people think about us silently, deeply, without ever saying a word. I want to know, have you ever felt someone pulling away because they cared too much? Or are you the one holding feelings inside? Comment yes if this resonated with your heart, or comment I feel this if you understand this connection. Your story might help someone else feel less alone. Thanks for staying with me at the end. So please like, share and subscribe the channel for more mindset-changing videos.